So can Trump just decide to go to war with Iran? No, but practically speaking, essentially yes.
So for now, Trump has just said this about his plans for attacking Iran.
I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it.
Legally speaking, though, going to war actually requires the approval of Congress. A president cannot just decide to go to war on their own.
But, and this is a big but, congressional approval is only required for war. And Congress itself actually passed a law called the War Powers Resolution, which allows the president to deploy troops for 60 days without congressional approval.
But even more important is the president's power as commander-in-chief of the military under Article 2 of the Constitution. These Article 2 powers have been used by presidents for decades to engage in military action without Congress. From Clinton in Kosovo to Obama in Libya, and Trump's airstrikes in Syria to kill Iranian General Soleimani during his last presidency.
Now, a lot of people really hate when presidents do this. Conservatives hated it when Obama did it. Liberals hated it when Trump did it.
The key is for presidents to frame military operations as not outright war, but rather temporary targeted missions for a specific purpose.
For example, if Trump ordered strikes in Iran, he'd argue that he isn't going to war with Iran, but rather using the military to destroy certain nuclear targets to ensure that Iran can't develop a nuke.
Critics would argue that that's BS, and that the real goal is to topple the current Iranian government, which is basically the same as going to war.
Ultimately, the legal justifications for presidents to use the military without Congress are really gray, and they've been debated for decades. It all hinges on what a war really means, and when Congress is actually required.
But despite the ambiguity and protests from both sides, presidents just keep doing it.